Can Jolo LLC? Yes, you can form an LLC with the name Jolo LLC if it's available in your state and meets naming requirements. Every state requires LLC names to be unique and to include LLC or limited liability company at the end. The name Jolo could work as a brand for many types of businesses, from retail to consulting to tech, as long as it hasn't already been registered by another company in your state. You can also trademark the name if you want nationwide brand protection. If you plan to run multiple business lines under the same LLC, you can add DBAS, doing business as, later for flexibility, while keeping Jolo LLC as the main legal entity. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and secure the name Jolo LLC if it's available in your state. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.